All right, Nicole, so I'm super excited because I think I have my tomatoes down, but now I'm kind of lost. I don't know what else to plant or if I even need to plant anything else.
I would recommend planting some more things. So you can implement this thing called companion planting.
Okay, I have no idea what that is. What is it?
The bottom line is you're diversifying the plants that you have in your garden. So if you plant flowers with your tomatoes, they will help attract pollinators, so they'll come for the flowers and then they'll actually help fruit production with your tomato plants.
Amazing. Okay, so definitely need to plant some flowers. Is there anything else?
Yeah, just diversifying the plants that you will have will attract other beneficial insects. So the beneficial insects will keep pests away, actually kill pests if you have them on your tomatoes already, but also just create a more balanced ecosystem that you see in nature.
Okay, so by balancing out the ecosystem in my garden, I can not only enhance my fruit production, but it's a natural pest control?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, I can totally do that.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, well, thank you.
You're welcome. Should we try these tomatoes?
Yes.
All right.